You download your brand new ePAN card, open the file, and immediately see the Signature Not Verified warning. It means the document is not yet ready for official use. Until that digital signature is verified, your PAN card is invalid. It won't be accepted as a valid document for bank accounts, loans, or official government purposes. To make the document legally binding, we need to convert that yellow question mark into a bright green check mark. This can be done in a few minutes entirely on your own computer. To complete the process, you will need a PC or laptop and the free Adobe Acrobat Reader software installed on your machine. Following these specific steps within Adobe Acrobat is the specific method required to transform an untrusted download into a universally accepted document. Start on your desktop where you have saved your ePAN PDF. Do not double-click the file to open it. Opening the file in a web browser like Chrome or Edge will prevent the signature from being verified correctly. Instead, right-click the file, select Open With, and choose Adobe Acrobat Reader from the list. Because this is a secure government document, you will see a password prompt immediately upon opening the file. Type in the applicant's exact date of birth without any spaces or symbols, then click OK. Using dedicated PDF software is the essential first step because browsers lack the technical capability to process and authenticate these specific digital government certificates. With the document open, locate the yellow box labeled Signature Not Verified. Click directly on that yellow question mark to open the Signature Properties window. Inside this menu, click the button labeled Show Signer Certificate. At the top of the certificate window, click on the tab labeled Trust. Here, you are instructing your computer to recognize your computer's digital stamp as an authentic source. Click Add to Trusted Certificates, and then click OK to bypass the security prompt. Simply adding the certificate is not enough. You must also manually assign the correct permissions. Check the main box for Certified Documents, then check all three sub-boxes below it to allow the verification of dynamic content. Click OK to apply these settings and close the certificate window to return to the initial Properties box. For the final step, click the Validate Signature button. The system now fully recognizes the authentic certificate, and the question mark seamlessly changes into a bold green check mark. Your computer now recognizes this specific digital signature, ensuring your PAN card will print with the legally required green check mark every time. Now that your PAN card is validated, let's look at how you can apply these steps to a broader range of services.
वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आप फ्री NSDL आईडी लेना चाहते हैं तो नीचे URL दिया हुआ है और वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक मौजूद है। उस लिंक पर क्लिक करके आप बहुत आसानी से बिल्कुल फ्री में NSDL की आईडी के लिए आवेदन कर सकते हैं। NSDL आईडी के माध्यम से आप कई जरूरी सेवाएं शुरू कर सकते हैं, जैसे पैन कार्ड सर्विस, अपडेट सर्विस और अन्य महत्वपूर्ण सुविधा। ये सभी सेवाएं सरल तरीके से चलती हैं और आप अपने दुकान या सेंटर से इन्हें आसानी से शुरू कर सकते हैं। तो नीचे दिए गए URL पर क्लिक करें, वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक मिल जाएगा और अभी तुरंत फ्री NSDL आईडी के लिए आवेदन करें। Processing documents like the ePAN is a foundational skill, and obtaining an NSDL ID allows you to confidently provide these essential services to others from your own service